Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got my hands on the GELISH Up in the Air Summer 2024 collection and she is stunning. The Up in the Air collection is inspired by living a life filled with color that is expressive, carefree, and as fun as you are. There are 6 new shades in this collection, so let's get to swatching. First up is Don't Bring Me Down. This is a light tan cream polish. Its creamy texture and subtle hue effortlessly enhances your nails with a natural and understated elegance. This polish adds a touch of warmth and sophistication to any manicure. It's perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Next is Up, Up, and Amaze. This bubblegum pink cream polish is playful, vibrant, and cheerful, instantly uplifting your mood while adding a pop of fun to your manicure. It delivers a full coverage mani in just a few strokes. Whether you're channeling your inner girly girl or simply craving a burst of color, this polish is sure to sweeten your style and leave you feeling bubbly and bright. Flying Out Loud is a dirty lime green cream polish that captures that unconventional charm, blending a lively lime with hints of subtle grit, creating a daring, distinct shade that speaks of adventure and boldness. Got Carried Away is a hot purple cream polish that is so captivating. It's not your average purple. It's infused with a fiery undertone that ignites the imagination and commands attention. It pulses with energy and heat and is guaranteed to draw in all of the compliments. Soaring Above It All is a bold cream blue polish that embodies the captivating depth of the ocean. It is a bright and confident shade of blue. It's a polish that speaks of strength and determination and makes a statement with every stroke. Got Some Altitude is a bright pink cream polish and a summer staple. This polish is a celebration of all things vibrant and lively. It is not just pink, it's dazzling, electrifying. It instantly lifts your spirits and adds a pop of color to any look. Its cheerful hue is undeniable and it is impossible to feel anything but happy when you're wearing it. I cannot get over how deliciously vibrant this collection is. Most of us already have pinks, purples, blues, and greens, so it can be hard to justify investing in something similar, but these shades take it to the next level. They are absolutely stunning and there is something for everyone. In case you didn't know, all of these shades can be purchased as regular polish via Morgan Taylor and are available in dip powders as well. I love ordering my polishes from beyondpolish.com. They are 100% legit and so reliable. You can use code Bella at checkout for a discount. But that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and let me know if you plan on snagging any of these colors in this gorgeous summer collection.